Sinbiro Santos Electronics Singjamai Leksangthem Lekai.
Yungi home appliance sing the natana. Luhong with the sang the Beatrava, Yumamagi, Makup Mata sing the natana. Washing machine, freeze, TV singba, electronic items sing, wholesale rate of Pan Magaloinana. Atomadong Yumda, home delivery Kudong House Pijeri.
Santos Electronics Singjamai Leksangthem Lekaida. Adom Yumda, Chandraba Yadraba Potlam Sing. Amadi, Angangi Sanapot, Makasuna Panganzeri.
Adom na kariguma mobile mo mathaw taraba. Mobile ma anobo leibigen khanbiraba. Aduiba tarabadi Santos Electronics Singjamai Leksangthem Lekai. Miyamgi damukta thonglaw na hangdon leiri. Makhal khudimaki mobile khudimak phangbigani. Adusu kariguma adom loan oine EMI da thibiraga lobigi harbasu loan gi khudong sabasu pijeri.
Santos Electronics Singjamai Leksangthem Lekai.
Kurumjari SKTV yang biru penuh putra amnok ceri Raj Nongthombam. Welcome to yet another edition of Beyond Headlines. Democracy mada democracy adu daleri ba miyam na lamdam adu da kari thodo wathok sing thokli. Lenga ki policy program sing na kari no. Natraga lamdam adu ki mapanda kari thodo wathok sing thokli. Mapanda thokli ba thodo wathok sing adu na lamdam adu ki miyam ki punsida affect tor ba targadi. Hair ba miyam sing asigi maram da ningthine khangma mathok ta. Ningthine khangnab gi damakta we need to go beyond headlines. Beyond headlines, we also need people who can tell stories beyond headlines. Ato nga si beyond headlines ki edition sida beyond headlines ang talaga wari sanu dong teleng sin dole bire basi ina Manipur parliamentary constituency ki MP Professor Dr. Bimol Akoijam ni Bimol, once again welcome back to Beyond Headlines.
It's my pleasure always.
Those are huji phog sida uza sigi akoi ki beyond headlines ki program sida bata rahe ji mari ruk subo jaga thengna jabani ahan bada uja matam du da election contest of gi plan phajana leitri adu matam da as uja mo ino jaga thengna jakhim ne haptare adu dagi na hoji phawbugi uja ga unajar mayam singa sida Manipur gi crisis sidi one thing is constant ro leb sidi Manipur crisis na adum oiri hatar ngasi su Manipur crisis si conflict se khara safaga la haraga amuk hena pagl henjalak pagi film da sum mami tarak pagi tangkak tu niya. Ano sige tangkak sida hauji ki oina ngasi maksu ako na sibo ki mapum sida ung chingi mapum sibo lag matam sida pagi mamang thagi mi thagi tang tarahum doi da phag raga handak jun gi tang tara da sina phangki ba miyoi taruk hai batare liang mai gi naga taruk hari ba makhoi gi asiba singa dugi justice bi gadam ne hedna ansam na sila ngasi su lambi da reli am kana charki hai batare aduna hujik justice ki demand am tawre du justice ki matang lak matam sida particularly sigi case da miyam ne amna penadrisi makhoi singdo kanana phabno moge thangnari bu khulama na phabani koi leilon wifi gi kulakpa amadi khunja sing na phabani have du khange moina khudom bi thin thidana kana chena ba yai phaba ya have sloi ta bok ta phade aduna justice te phangde have yam chawa pen da ma and also on top of it phangi bhakchang sing du matum ka ga phangmani na amuk hena thamoi chokpa du pem lere du very recently pharu ba yauba nupi tara mathoi anga adu manuk da nupi ahum se masanga makta na jenims ta lang ba pohla ko ngarang masu chalagi isamang na unabiru hai tare adu se justice se demand tori ba justice se yam ka hena delay tor ha gadro NI gi investigation chu chathari even Manipur High Court da su case amma initiate to ba hogre kamai thambi be.
I think first of all, Ras, it's always a pleasure nang wai sabje nungai de khana ne na the ing na tap na wari sabo ko legi nung yob nungai taba I have shared with you mamang su kam to ko nang ai ni bole tu na chai changa kun lagi na nang sum urang mane ko mapan dagi aina observer mana kalam idan newspaper de iba waza mo into ti mata to sin aina direct haktheng na hai tare political domain decision making gi process me am se gi haktheng na yaw sida mapan da uramba tu gi empirical confirmation when ui aham da ko aina hanu me am the theory am loin chumne dum noi ui ba ko adu uraga mu adu dagi hena shock ba empirical fact me am je thok le adu gi manung da hanaki akoi gi 2023 dagi hawrke bi Iran sigi laina si am cha thi ge bi se ai chin na hai ba da wahai na hai ba da Pabangam Gaita. Haidina. Kariuma port ama uba yamna luba quantum physics the oigera nataga lai maram do oigera port ama se wahina haiba ya pabangam da haita. Adu magi laina ama ui roses. Adugi symptom da handaki liang magi tuisu. Blatant oirse. Oira bhau da karigino institutions in respond to ngam ribse aisi. Kodam mana se Moi pull up Punjam am the party. First thing, Kim Naraka, party.
Kienoga UPF, Kusu group na Hambada, Moida trying to come, be trying to later party.
I nothing know the night out. I wonder anything the Kim Suyo,
Kim Krak Chondaraganda, Moko the
night out. Responsible organization in Laura Sifu Amu represent over Moina the night out Matunga Amumi. Nupi house na mamang the party in Hierarchy.
Yes.
Hansen Hierarchy. Ado amuk sira fang. Magi brutality to the amukehna. Migi dead body of the respect of high Sigi runs the Manipuri Horapadagi Sigi international standard keying with the dead body in the command handle Togani Hibagi port to the Handakisana Tehana Desmamita. Ipai Puni, remember China role, like we new invest in the people, the Hanima Mitai, but see under Tolesa. I do the extreme way example never. Ado Pagre, I got part there, Matumachaya, Pianang, Mang Yagre, I remember the denial reports a Kayam Sati together. I know Chalukan, the Moy Wais of the go. Marangi, not the Makan the Salu. Akoigi honorable same lamba matamda SP kangpu pilaga noina masak noin khangye haibine harga computer da troge electoral lot pictures in the pakto si khangla si yaw pikrabo koni den loin identify tawe haibo ko adigi police official masu yawro me hai mana mamid hangdo kandu howe na maming matha yawre prima facie victim single statement ne the biggest question is why is that the should have been as a suspect going to pick up the work. Police generally me to Sumagi posting Zagadi Maming Mataya is a go. I'm not saying that he is guilty, but suspect hiding a loader.
Right.
See, pick up the Karigino Sinivan Kalis. Village in the Suma Simon identified to pick up the Zimarum Kajino. And I, the Sinagay say, delaying tactics, distracting tactics, don't urak podoina. Manipur police recover to get the NI, the Sinading at the Moina handle to we have a call.
Right.
Moina Matrakan and Asagi Su group the Yabo Kanguni Harakan the preliminary investigative report of the Manipur police now. Not Ragadina. Manipur police Rasum Kalaga the delegitimization of Manipur Seni. Remember? Manipur police pool delegitimized always there, Manipur state as an state of India as a political, geopolitical entity in the denied or never. And a preliminary report about the law you have never got. So I have no doubt, I will not mince word. They should have picked up those people. Adugi justice ki process to how the vessel. Justice should be done and it should be seen to be done. And I'm sure done the line, sin to be done. Aduna Aigi moment, it is completely unacceptable. You should have been a victim singuna high you should have picked it up as suspect. Lang jindo torokan the limit of state investigation lakan you hand it over to NIA. Kitang have NIA that toroga dealing man mam job. I think BJP Congress adu odaginate ras state amo in a later di lenga amale gadi magi matoto to eco Patabling and a mew of Kuna in him, but the ain't high set of him talking. So, heck over the guy. God, you know why in expressed on the Lainagi condition number the Koi ladies. So, I think Chigi said, I took a tanto to me, lady the Vigi Pendo, Karado, So, I think this is very unfortunate, and it's through you I'm appealing to a honorable Sam Tamokim Sanders. Please pick up those suspects. And our DGs have to say, as an ordinary citizen, I'm with faulted hand. I'm requesting our DG and our honorable Sam, please take the steps. Sigi, a glimmer of hope amalakum changneba. This is not politics. I can see a limitation state. There is the federal structure to where the central dictator chawwe yam laiko. See the XYZ politician you want to see the collectively resist over them. Little that I expect our CM Saab and DG Saab to respond immediate. Preliminary investigation should be done by the state police. I'm telling you that people will feel that there's Sarkar Malaysia Koibu Ngaki the Manipur police lady. Isagi state the police lady Haibagi trust confidence. That's just very essential. So I will through the I appeal to never. This is not politics. It's not party politics. Not to regain our system. Like Nakman, but Sakut Pokunai. Civilized society is I feel very sad at the same, so frustrated at one level. Manunga, how was I?
That Sigi ongoing crisis. The Chahi home help Pasida, Sigi Marksida regime change Hagadra, Ahmad leadership and Birensingi, Mana Lito Balenga Lerame, Adumatunda PR, Chahi Amagi Maya Lerame, Adumatunta the Pevari Tang Mari 2026, Sigi Pevari Tangari, who's Pobisida. Why Kemchana losing political party the same, so same political party, same government, had leadership change to Adumba, Lengaglai. Adubu, Han Ben Binasina, Laying him Matamduna Cookie versus Maitegi Martiam Sauna, Munabolere, Marakta Pia, Matamdura Tangs Hapawi Mongleram, Yadugozimo, why Kemsan head, Chiminus Oropaga. Numin Marini Subunmeta, 8 February 2026, Litan the Iranks, Horton, who was even idea. Aduna. Ako na sumiyang pumatamda ngasagi irang magi do kugi hujikan gi web series ki mong the season 1 season 2 season 3 mo sulo loy banai na man sum extend tor lay basi sigi extend tor risi kamai ni yeng doino ko na sum constant ro yang matam se hujik kugi buffer zone high ga dras man khai dorok pa sina maram oiraga changdok changjin to buya na da ba adu da mogi territorial claim ama tor ga su lay ba aduga hari ba claim tor ba territorial area se da ma kugi separate administration duty da PBO hai ba gi demand am zu lay ba si mayam si yang urga di hujik mo ano ba February tang nipan dagi tholai ba conflict si masi territorial claim do mapung phan gu da maitei gadi more or less ang na ba ya ge dre adai do claim do yana re habi mong da makoi na phang pami do dai do pop tar habi mong da de facto in lebi mong mali adu ko hujik na mu naga singa mu toration territorial areas overlap leina ba mayam do da conflict se lak pra habi na duna masi akoi na sum yang mata illegal delimitation amagi mong da makoi gi areas define tawna bu gi damakta khana ba du mo idori ba na tar masi purely misunderstanding the Gitokpa, could ethnic violence and high good best.
See, Masagi government, a hundo, I explain Masam Tokzo. First, I know national media, the Kaidi is a willing scapegoat, is a facade. Plea already union government is young clear way. So, Akoigi Manipur Sarkar and ex and minister Muela Tameko. So the blame will be on that person.
X.
Manung dagi dictate already DZ hapa dagi law and order talk is all dictated from Delhi. Aduga legally urina sakaram le na blame to some sahan vaywana aduna na is a willing scapegoat harido. Mahag lok toki boke dauri ex sakramatunda nang asai sapare edo. Aduna kanam paire. PR natra. Anything happened during that time, nang facade yauri brava blame tau na ba. Yauri lo tokram nina. It will straight go to union government. Adu da kapna kono na PR manunga tau si hatong na si PR manam do oroba. Nang na tay na do si kanado no ba.
Yes.
Prime Minister, Home Minister, direct sat ka do matam do na ba niyam dara ido irang. So ex imong da why na mahapsa lakpay wani husing. Manungi structural game do koy ubam choko ne so adu na nebay na heg this is not because constitutional orders collapse or any thamakunate BJP ki face saving device or tawra ineba adugi BJP ki face saving device da mok Modi ga Amit Shah ga ngak nam ne moida amuba kali tairak tanaba na fasad am thambai wane ba mamanga mas am upsalaga mas ne ba khoina ngasi Manipur ga menai asing bagi mamai ngang ba thabok tawri di maning lepi ba mi dune ba Maning lepi bi se government of India ne se ai jini PR matam irang ali to duna ne ba ujina mula aba ni la ba sidai sa ko gi local minions hai ta re di strong word bu de ko See, ma'am, so when saying contestation, the Amada Muktorpis, my sarcasm won't blame Tongo and Sanaba come to Yorong and ever. It's over structure during the small people play their own game. I like the Nago, together as a one pirate and the Kaidora and the Kondong and Yungi in a pirate air, Pisa Hongo with the local player can assume dirty game Torong and ever. I all along over the in a whole lifting again. The government of India is complicit. You know, I don't know any PR the name though.
Okay,
Sige, aduna sila ise. Sige, structure so khangna bam chang hai sa bani dai idea. Mayam ne India pum da sune bam simoina state government da kum to do. State government ki responsibility in chawning di masana ai power yaw je that you should surrender. Expose the government of India na moina play to is exposed over for ko. So handa ki second time as a hana ki ex ga wine or si di kari khena balegi na koi num sing yeng mum chang ko. Will it be a little better? Do the government of India have a separate agenda through Mr. Y rather than Mr. X and sisu analytically yengam to evoko. Ahamba X ki matang the Y si through the point of is a kari no eva mam kanmam changeva. Aduna I hasi all along I say anini ko hasa. Manning the sana is a government in India ni adu moine X taki Y selection dana karamba game plan tawri no I would never go.
Game plan jo hogi one the udri hai
No. I am saying there is a game plan.
Okay. X amadi Y energy marakta do you see any difference layana high
I guess heightened conflict or kan nga say haiji maitai gi kari gi tawrong anda development is matam su tawgeta was development se sigi pochida mu aina urai di cookie ga wari saro hai kan huji cookie ga maitai ga wari sanam santai nari ngai da si tawraga di ma adu su wari sawai di haibe that's the second phase never. So why get responsibilities a cookie ga mai take do to hala kan da third amo thola kan da siso muk sacrifice le moina lok to kip ya ba kon ya da ba sa aduna nei na ching nong san rei wa game sa sigi plan sa strengthening the ethnic divide hana tribal scholar marak ta yam ngang ba wani Manipur se three-way division to ga ne na to rei sa koi academic ta le ko di newspaper the public meeting the ka aina su yam ne yet pa yaw gram ne ba TV da don't try to make Lebanon out of Manipur ase am ko so han ge akoi Manipur ma sa sing na kyang ngang da bai wani ai won da su manung da frustration le ai se sigi wa hai se aina national TV da so han na hai gra ba ne ba mamang da chai tara mari mang da gi don't make Lebanon out of Manipur. Hai se meaning kai na chibi obo se Lebanon da kai do gi gen consociational model kai na moi na toksan ma ja adu gi fibam do violence na na mark the way space and boundaries se across the globe ai na so ma hai je gi nang marak sigi understand tong lo ma ga ma thet ke ba ko Muslim gi home Muslim league na na Muslim singi homeland tan ba Pakistan tan ba na direct action de na hatal to godavani sidagi di maning han ba yadre koi tan godavani na to we ko 16th of August 1946 adugi numit da riot however Kolkata da ko for 3 days 10,000 people were killed in and around Kolkata that was the beginning of the partition of Indian subcontinent sigi wahai se aina vote left na mang hairam ne ba 3rd of May se ai oina di ainu uzabada di homeland ma ta na bo honabagi 16th of August ki Indian history ki 1946 16 of August to Manipur ki puari di 3rd of May 23 se aduni hai gi bane ba and the violence na mark to aduna I give my first interview on 21st May 2023 in the print national media is the partisan violence has been deployed to mark the boundary kind of violence in the sigi deepening of boundaries ching the kind of honor in lower by the sideshida mo ngasai minion kangbu na sigi sarkar wai che chok na one of the ai political mileage ke muk tongchan ba laza Manipur thuai is a count of politicians you are never you can't rule it out my magi ana the ama chingdana one of the irang thoge phe khanja bu you never but a chobo game plan the day
okay
23 gi dagi haure the violence to koi sumai hai seba to Manipur thuai na ba to politics intellectually articulate torpa rajniti da to di kuire chahi kun bu sudara mani ko adu bo violence season raga final push tor ai banangi
manifest no honor
bo se ai ho jai ne partition cha koi na kai hai kambra partition of India began with the riot in Calcutta ended with genocide in 1948 in Punjab hai ba adu ki violence how gi base sigi continuity ne buji chatlis sigi last phase ne base akoi si u bam chang ne ba ko aduna marak ki ka tu karan ga ai gi political tong ta is something like a national government no ko se lep se BJP pai bi ro me ba lai pak si ta pok pa lam dam si ta pok pa chaw ba irei cha mayam na pai ri ni da na moi da masi u dra ba ma le na khale ba di ko adu khalam ma ga di opposition khang de koi national government ki type tam se bi Nagaland is talking to you. See, this crisis is too much. High command, Matokta de Congress no manga sola. Ako mamam to Pamina resi. Osu Nagam Punjana, see violence something happens Yaro Dore Sikaring is there. She talked there. Everybody is playing game. Manipur same way na ngayon magin park matakta lego nga dong aga yin yan tawra ineba. Ami matu ka kaisa ay wakan na symbolically adum masik kakke ay bagi wakan na lego kang bunin loy bedi. Okay. Aduna ay mo matong I will not mince word. Laiminarga hingminarga laigaraga chawkhat pa nungay ba phangani khatnara de khoi se kai ne se praja across group Kuki Maite adu adai nate. Micham praja punumakta any fruit oisona ba. Sumayum taw de koi loi mangane se. Khangma matam oire haiba se koi gi leader sing nam se haiba mam to.
Okay. Oja so ndasu kitang chamini. Adro ja sigi makha samdar koina ojiki akoi gi irang jena handak chahi sida mo naga kuki marakte extend torp je. Sigi extension torp sida hojik laiba wahang amakha hai targadi mamang da koi center na marune union homes na mishana lok sabha rajya sabha da thamgiba and also tongan media sing na thamgi matam Manipur se purely ethnic violence ni jatiya hinsa ni nasli hinsa ni hai ba odu targadi matam du da maduni high targadi aru amusu high basi masi koi gi April ki tang ahum mari 2025 koi gi presidents ki rule chana matum da madugi koi statutory keno se resolution se introduce torga pass tawna honar pa April ki tang ahum amadi mari 2025 se ja sida mangna Parliament thamgi se Manipur to physical ethnic violence is out of high court ki order to maram orga purely high court ki order maram orga to ubani government ki failure sunate terrorism sunate religion su kemari lenate ana high ki aduna maram orga tribal amadi non tribal ani ki marakta community bu pande tribal amadi non tribal ani ki marakta khanagi bani an high aru tar adu ki matam to media da sun narrative se kamai legi da tribal versus non tribal ST versus non ST majority versus minority Hindu versus Christian na armane tor mehtar adu hojikti 8 February 2026 matung naga kuki gi ani gi conflict se lakan dadi crisis lakan dadi masagi high court ki order dune high ge doribra masi majority versus minority ni high bi yari bra hojikti yaad re habagi wapam amsu lakum malu
Moina number 1 nang se part ani ni ko aina ahama ni se moi se